Now again, welcome to Top Crypto channel. We give you more updates on crypto and airdrop combo stuff. Now today we go for Amstar Daily Cipher 30 June 2024. Now the first one is P, which is written on the board. Just follow the description on the board, then you can get what you want. And remember, Amstar is listing on June 10. Oh, July 10, sorry. Listing on July 10. So you should stay tuned for more updates. Follow them on Twitter and learn more. Now we have got our daily cipher Morse code cracked. Thanks for watching today. Like and subscribe.